Previously recorded.
Hey, look here, man. Before this video right here start, man, I just want to say I had to mute the sound because I didn't want the copyright. So I'm gonna add a little bit of my spices of my music, man. Y'all already know, man. Shout out to QZ, the music man, for it. This right here you're gonna get is like some B-roll bowling, man, but I definitely enjoyed it, as y'all will see. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, man, and enjoy the video, man. To be continued. To be continued. The travel journey must go on. The going through for this that I'm doing, man, but I hope it pays off, man. I hope it pays dividend. All the links to the bowling alley will be in the description below. This here is Spare Time, man. Spare Time in Huntersville, North Carolina.
The Music Man.
JP Chevy.
But I don't know how you do it. Don't know how you do it, man. I mean, dudes get it.
JP Chevy. You know how we say things are groovier in the groove?
The Music Man.
What is going on, my YouTubers and my YouTubers, man? Hate man, Satan man. Yes, with the sun, you know what I'm saying, got me looking real bright, blackety red, man. Ha! Squad! Yes, sir, man. My what I want to call it, 3-go tour of me traveling bowling, man, is complete. Shoosh. Let's see here. I want to make this get over with lefty. Okay, but what I wanted to say was I had to do another video mute. You know what I'm saying? It's the holidays and they're playing the Christmas music while you're getting your bowl on and stuff, man. And I ain't got time to get that Christmas music copyright, you feel me? So with that being said, man, be sure to like, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? If you haven't already, man, click that bell, man. Hit that all so you can be notified, man. And if you haven't seen my other 2 bowling videos before this one, then go check those out, man, so you can get the full exuberance of the understanding. You know what I'm saying? I had pretty much fun, man. It was a long journey on this, man. If y'all only knew, man, it was a long journey, man. 3 days worth of journey, put it like that. But nevertheless, got it done, man. And now I'm about to go home, take a little nappy nap, man. We gotta work tonight, so get on that down. But yo, this is JP Chevy, man. And man, my bad, man. They up here blowing the horn for them to move up, and they can't move up. And he look like he about to sleep, but yeah. Anyway, though, man. Hey, man, I'm gonna get on up off this thing, man. Excuse me. Get on up off this thing, and I appreciate y'all, man. Appreciate y'all, man. Enjoy the video, and shout out to Shine Armor, man. New first sponsorship. Hey, man, let's get it. Let's go. I'm out. Shh. Run that good old. Oh, I like the Camaro right there. Yes, sponsorship. Hey, let's go, man. Oh, wait a minute. Before you run it, though, that's what I was going to say. Victory Lanes, man. Victory Lanes, Mooresville, North Carolina. Link will be in the description below, man, if y'all want to check them out. If y'all in North Carolina and surrounding areas. Yeah. I'm going this time, man. I'm going. Yes, sir. Yo, real quick before we start this video, man, huge shout out to Shine Armor. If y'all, want to get y'all car popping like I'm about to show y'all on mine, then, you know what I'm saying, tap into the link. It will be below, Shine Armor. And new sponsorship, man, partnership, you know what I'm saying? So tap into the link and use my promo code, JP Chevy. Let's show a little bit of something. You heard me? So as I said, if you wanted to pop shine like this right here, man, then tap into them. Shine Armor, man. Link will be in the description below. Promo code JP Chevy. Gonna get into a little bit of the action here. Let's get it, man. Let's go. So as y'all see, man, the hood is nice and dirty, and I left it like that. As y'all notice, the bottle is sitting on the hood as well. So let's see what it do after I spray it up. Real dirty too. Yes,
JP Chevy.
So as y'all see, all nice, clean, shined up. Let's test it out though. Yes, Shine Armor. Tap into the link. JP Chevy, promo code. If y'all true rockers and rock with me like y'all say y'all do, then tap into it. 20% off. 20% off. Again, promo code JP Chevy. 20% off. All sprays and bottles. Don't even have to go to the car wash anymore. You can just use it right here at home. Yes, sir.
The Music Man.
like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, click that bell so you can be notified every time that I upload.
You know how we say things are groovier in the groove?
100%. Right.
My boy been chasing this for a long time. It's this time now. Get up! Come on! Yes, sir! My guy Rio. My guy! See what he on right there, y'all. Y'all see what he on right there, right? Y'all see what he on right there. Yes, sir! Come on and join me, Rio!
Come on, big slam, one more.
Y'all see it. Y'all see it last week. Last week was a fluke. Last week was a fluke. Come on, baby! Oh, come on! Come on!
Third time is a charm.